Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by a group of his companions, went to Okaz market, and by then a barrier has been put between the devils and heavenly news, and they were smitten with blazes. When the devils returned, the people said, "Why don't you bring us the news?" They replied, "A barrier has been set up between us and the heavenly news, and we are smitten with blazes." One of them said, "As we have been bred to get the heavenly news, something new must have been happened. So explore east and west and find out what novel thing has occurred." So they explored the east and the west, so as to find out which new occurrence has restricted their access to the heavenly news. The reporter said some of them went towards Tiyama and reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was then at Nakhala performing the Fajr prayer along with his companions, and had an intention to go to Okaz market. When they heard the recitation of the Quran, they listened to it attentively. Then they said, "This is what has stood as barrier between us and the heavenly news." So they returned to their people and said, "O our people, we have heard a wonderful Quran recital that guides towards righteousness. So we have believed in it, and we shall never associate anyone with our Lord." And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed to his Prophet, "Say, it has been revealed to me that some of jinn listened to my recitation, and the conversation of the jinn was told to him through the revelation." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4921.